Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to break down one of the most common yet confusing topics in Revit, that is type parameter and instance parameter. Let's see. If you have ever changed one door and suddenly all the doors are changed too, don't worry. That's what Revit is supposed to do. And by the end of this video, you will learn exactly why that happens and how to control it. Okay, so let me begin with explaining type parameters. So where do we find type parameters in Revit? Here, I'm selecting a door and going to the edit type of the family. So these are the type parameters. The parameters which are inside the type properties are found in the edit type. These all parameters are type parameters. Whenever I change one of its parameter, all the instances will get changed. Like I'm changing this door rough width to 1500. Okay. So see, this door width is 1500. Okay. This and all other instances became 1500 like this. Type parameters are great for things that should stay consistent in a project like standard dimensions, materials, and construction type. So let us concluding what type parameters are. Type parameters global change to all the elements of that type. We can add that. Okay. Second, we are going to discuss instance parameter. So let me share you where the instance parameter are found in the project. Okay, so when I have selected the door, so here, these all are all parameters that we show in the properties palette are called instance parameters. Like this, I selected this wall. These are instance parameters. Whenever I change anything, this will affect only this particular instance of the family. Like I have changed this to this parameter of the wall to structural. Only this wall will become structural, not any other wall. Like I am selecting same instance this, this wall is not structural. Okay. So this is what instance parameters are. Let me take some other example of the instance parameter. Like I have changed its base offset to 200. Okay. So only this wall's base offset become 200 like this. And only this wall's offset is 200, not any other wall's offset. This is still at the base offset 0. Okay. So this is what instance parameter are. So concluding the instance parameter. Instance parameter are perfect when you need flexibility in your project. For example, changing the door number, location, offset from individual elements. Instance parameter is used. So let's see. Instance parameters gives us unique control over every element. Okay. So when creating or editing family, you can actually choose whether you need to want to make a parameter type or instance. Like I am editing this column family and making some parameters and to show you whether to make it instance or type parameter. Like this is I am giving the width and type parameter. Okay, so I am making this parameter. Here the option is given whether I want to make it instance or the type. Whether if I select it as type parameter, it will become type, and if I select it as instance parameter, it will become instance. Like I am giving this as width. Okay, I am making this as type parameter. Width 1. Okay, so this is the type parameter. And now I'm making this parameter as instance parameter like this. I'm giving it as length 1. Okay, so this is instance parameter. Let me go to the project and what happens in the project here. Here you can see with length 1 parameter which I made instance here. Okay, and width 1 parameter which I made as type parameter here. Okay, so that's all. This video helps you understand Revit parameters better. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a chance to my BIM tips. Okay, so also drop a comment below if you want me to cover shared parameter next. That is where things even get more interesting. Thank you for watching my video.